Hello and welcome back to another wonderful tutorial brought to you by BIM 190. Today we're going to be talking about how to use the navigation wheel. Woo. So first of all, what we'll start with is we will go to a view we want. Yeah, let's go with this one. Seems like a good one. And purpose of the navigation wheel is pretty much to navigate through a 3D view of something. So to start off, we will click on this little button here, which will bring us this nice little wheel, which is a lot of fun, different commands that we'll go through. Let's see, I guess we'll just start at the top. Zoom, as you can imagine, means zoom. So you'll want to center where you want to zoom. So you want to zoom in front of the horse, and then you'll click on it, drag it, and then you'll move it up. And as you continue to move it up, you get closer and closer and closer to the point you first clicked on, until you get to, I think you'll just keep going forever. Yeah. Wow. Just keep zooming. And what's neat about this navigation thing, when you click and drag and continue to hold, the cursor will loop itself around the screen. I'll show you what I mean later. Okay, it's enough zooming. You can even unzoom further away if you want to. Yeah, so that's what that does. Next feature is walk. I love this one. It's great. It does a lot of good stuff. Click and drag it and allow you to move. If you move forward from the dot, you go forward, go to the left, then you'll turn to the left. See that? And to the right. And then back. As you can see down at the bottom, it says press up and down arrows to adjust height. So on the keyboard, if we press down while going forward, we can actually go down. Oh. Sorry, it's kind of slow. Put in a bunch of shrubbery, which kind of slowed things down. You can just walk right through the walls. Oh man, walk through the halls. This is a super handy feature if you want to see how things look. And then, speaking of look, we'll jump to our next tool, the look tool, which will allow you to look around anywhere. And see how if we continue to move the mouse, it'll just keep looping around the screen. You see that? It'll just keep like going. You don't have to re-click it. You don't have to be like move and move. You can just keep a steady. That's kind of what I was talking about earlier. So yeah, that's kind of nice. Next command, up and down. It's kind of what we did with the keys, the what do we call it, keyboard things. You can just move up in elevation, down. Oh, whoa, I'm going really far down. Okay. Now let's see if we can get up a little bit higher. There we go. Cool. Pan, click, and we just kind of move left or right. Kind of neat there. We can't move forward or back at all. We just kind of pan across the screen on a like vertical plane. Let's see. And then orbit will allow us to. It has a pivot point in the model. Allow us to move around and pivot around that point. Let's demonstrate this one outside. We just want to walk out there. Alright, sweet. So orbit, let's try it again. So we'll pivot around that same point. See, that pivot point's the same. And say we want to pivot around a different point. What we can do there is use this center command. And so the center command centers around this kind of like middle point of this little crosshairs. So we want to center around this picture here. We put the little plus sign right there. Click on center, and orbit around there, around that sign. See? Wow. Pretty handy. So that can be pretty nice if you want to focus on something in particular, show a client something nice, whatever it may be. Move that a little bit. Let's see. Oh, whoa. And then say we find a view we really like say that one back there of the horse, and we don't know how to find it again. We want to get it looking real good, but we're just not sure we can get back to where we want to. Instead of pressing undo, because if you press undo, it'll just undo the last command you made and probably delete something, which will be bad. Instead, we just click and hold rewind, and it'll rewind us to where we were last looking. So you just go through all the commands back to where we were. It's gonna be pretty helpful. Let's see, yeah. Walking through the rooms. Oh, see, oh yeah, look at that. That's the view I wanted right there. Perfect. Yeah. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. And have a great week. Thanks. Bye.